FinTalk channel again, and today I am going to review Brisk Technovision Limited IPO. And by this graphical picture you can understand what the company is doing. So before we proceed with the review part, so you can see all the IPO that I had reviewed in the past and what was my prediction and what was actual gain. Similarly, you can see there are some other IPOs where the investor gained lots of profit, and the exciting one is recently this Australian premium solar got listed and the price band was 54, and here you can see my review in this video that I published earlier and my predictions, and you'll be surprised that current price of this IPO is 162 rupees per share. That means the investor got more than 2 lakh profit from this IPO. So you can see that each and every IPO that I review, I do that with due diligence, and I only review those IPO where I can see there is a 100% profit gain for the investor. So without wasting your time, let's start with today's IPO review. So here is the company. As I mentioned, it is Brisk Technovision Limited. The company was started in 2007, so that means the company is almost 16 years old. And what the company is doing, so you can see the company offer third-party hardware products such as desktop, personal computers, laptops, etc. And as of November 30th 2023, the company has 119 employees. Interestingly, here you can see all the client list of the company. So Saraswat Bank, 𝒂𝒏𝒂𝒍𝒚𝒔𝒊𝒏𝒗𝒆 Laboratories, DNS Bank, right? Then 𝒂𝒏𝒂𝒍𝒚𝒔𝒊𝒏𝒗𝒆, SBC Bank, Inox Air Product, Union Bank, all are the client of this company. So this also shows that there is a great faith in this company from other industries in the market. And as of January 24, the company has no debt. So that is a great sign. So here we are coming to the IPO timeline. So the IPO will be open in January 2022 and it will be closed in January 24, and the price for each share in this IPO is 156 and the lot size is 800. So here you can also see when the allotment will be decided, that is 25th of January, and the listing date is January 30th. So as a retail investor, you have to purchase one lot minimum, that is 800 shares, and for that you have to invest 1,24,800 rupees. So here now I am coming to the financial part, which is very crucial to understand the foundation of this company. So you can see here we have 3 years complete data and the 2023 data is incomplete. So the asset has increased from 5.62 crore to 6.61, then 6.79, and until September 30th 2023 it has increased 14 crore. The revenue also has increased from 1.62, then 2.2 crore, then 1.8 and 1.5. The profit, which is very crucial, so it has increased in all the 3 years, then from 14 to 109 and 198, and you can see in 2023 it has increased 152 until September 30. So this balance sheet is a great sign that the company is doing a great business. And now let's compare the valuation index. So let's start with the PE first. The PE is 15.69, which is really under control, I would say, and the EPS is 9.95, and these figures are what would be actually after the IPO launched. And the ROE 41, ROCE 54. Any company having ROE or ROCE greater than 15 considered to be a great one, and here we can see it is highly impressive as the number is greater than 40. Debt to equity is 0.03. That means it's a debt-free company. So friends, before jump into the conclusion, you should also go through the company website, where you should have a detailed view of what the company is doing. And as this is your hard-earned money, you should research all these things before applying for any IPO or investing your money. So here you can see the company has given how many clients they have managed and their retention rate, which is 95%. Very impressive. All these are their clients, right? Union Bank, you can see, which I already mentioned. After that, you can see all type of services they are providing. Then here you can see their expertise in different IT domains and principal partners, etc. So you can have a robust view of what the company is doing in their company web page, and I would recommend each and everyone to visit this page. Then you will get a clear idea that how strong the company is in the market. So their partner includes Oracle, IBM, then Dell is there, Google is there, Lenovo is there. Then you can see they have Microsoft, Cisco. So all are the renowned brands, Adobe. Now the question is, shall I apply for this IPO or not? So this depends on two variables. One is the subscription times and the one is GMP. The subscription time is like how many times the IPO has been subscribed or how many times the investor has shown interest in this IPO. So if it is greater than 15 times and the GMP is greater than 50, then you must apply for this IPO for the profit gain. And you use this particular website to track the GMP data, since the IPO is not live yet, so this number is blank now. And you can also see the subscription data in this particular section. So I will provide both this link in the comment section, and so that you can track these numbers and make a wise decision whether you should apply for this IPO or not. So what would be the expected profit from this IPO? As we know, we have to apply for 800 shares in this IPO, and if the GMP is 50, then our profit will be roughly 40,000, that is 32% return from the investment of 1,24,800 rupees. This is a very conservative way or conservative number to predict the profit. Comparing the company's valuation, the financial details, and the type of clients the company is serving, we can expect more GMP here, and the profit would be, I guess, at least 1 lakh from this IPO. So let's conclude. So whether I should apply or not. So first of all, we see the company has a very strong foundation, like financial support. The revenue and the profit has been on an uptrend in the past 3 years, that we noticed from the financial report. Then the ROE and ROC is greater than 40 is a good sign, and the debt to equity we notice 0.03, which further solidifies the company's financial stability. Another important factor is the company's client list. We saw the Saraswat Bank, Ipca Laboratories, DNS Bank, then you can see Bharat Gears, SBC Bank, then Union Bank, all are their clients. So it would be a great investment, but I would always recommend each and everyone to wait for the last day and check the GMP price here, and then you check the subscription times here, and then only you make the wise decisions. Otherwise you don't go. If you see the data is not aligning with your expectation, then don't go for the IPO, because in every week lots of IPOs are coming in the market. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you find it very helpful. As promised, I will add the subscription data link and the GMP data link in the comment section, so that at the last day of the IPO you can check those data and make an informed decision where you are applying for this. Thank you guys.